Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you some trades that made me good money. So I ended all these deals at about the same time as there was insider information. So before showing the trades, I want to show you a few patterns that will be present in the video so that you can analyze them yourself. So the first figure is a descending flag, which indicates a further decrease in the price and a continuation of the down trend. So if you see this flag, the price will go down. This will not last forever. There is a limit to everything, and some days there will be a breakdown in the another direction. So exactly that happens on this time frame. Today I will show you how it all happens. So on this time frame we see a clear formation of a figure, a descending flag, which indicates us a further price decline. So this is we have downtrend. In accordance with this, we opened a position in shorts at this point. After we noticed that we were getting close to breaking through the level of the previous corridor, so we opened a short position and made our profit. So we made a profit in this place and the total profit was 260%. This is not the biggest profit we have. So now I will show you another pattern of technical analysis. This is a head and shoulders figure. So it looks like this. It is easy to notice, it will stand out from the rest of the figures. And this figure predicts the beginning of a downtrend. This shows practice. So our next altcoin, let's move on to it. To the most interesting, our profit. So here, you will say that nothing is visible here and how can you notice the warrant here? And I will tell you that it is possible. This order is our head and shoulders pattern. This figure clearly showed us a further price decline. And this figure helped us a lot. After this drawing of the charts, we opened a short position at this point and left the take profit at the position of the alt low. This brought us good interest, 324% for one transaction. So every deal in our Telegram channel, and you can go in and have a look and be surprised because it really exists. Now for the last deal, it is a sushi coin. With this altcoin everything is simple and the situation is identical with the first coin. We see here a descending flag, a breakdown of support lines, and as a result opening a short position. So here we see a flag appearing, and descending flag again, and in this place we open a short position. And we put a take profit in this place. The schedule changed a lot, but in the end we earned our honest 194% profit. All transactions were made with a leverage of 20 in compliance with all the rules of risk and money management. It is very important. By not following the rules, you are trading yourself and you may lose your entire deposit. So I want to tell you, follow the rules always, and then you will always have a profit. I allocated no more than 5% for transactions and followed all the rules of risk and money management. So in my free Telegram channel, I will post insider information, signals, and my personal analytics. As usual, link in the description below this video. Come in and take your profit. And in the next video, I will tell you my personal opinion about Bitcoin and when we should expect its further growth. So that's all for now. See you next time. See you in the next video.